Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your smart TV is signed into the correct account and on stable Wi-Fi. This prevents app conflicts. Once done, navigate straight to the TV's App Store or the System Apps menu so you can find Netflix. You do this now because many TVs require the store to manage app updates. Make sure the TV isn't in a power save mode. That can block downloads. If you see Netflix listed, select it to view update options. You will now locate Netflix in the app listing and select it. If an update button appears, tap it and let the TV download the patch. This installs the latest app build compatible with your OS. If no update option shows, choose Reinstall or Delete plus Install to force the latest copy. This resolves corrupted installs. While the file downloads, leave the TV powered and on the app screen so the process isn't interrupted. Once complete, open Finish by launching Netflix and testing playback to confirm the update fixed any issues. If the app freezes or returns an error, restart the TV. A reboot often clears caches and finalizes installations. If problems persist, uninstall Netflix and reinstall again, and only use a factory reset as a last resort because it deletes settings. Backup preferences first. One troubleshooting tip. Check router NAT and DNS settings if streaming fails after update, since network issues mimic app faults.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.